One's on their first day, one's on their second day. Some dogs take a couple days to adjust to daycare, while others fly in head first, literally. You got Diesel the boxer on the bottom, who's been on the top for the most of the day. And we got Dallas, the Mastiff cross, who seem to be the only two left with energy late on a Friday afternoon. Maggie's tuckered out, Wonder's tuckered out, Ace is tuckered out, Santos is done, Edna's done, Jax looks to be tired, Harley's definitely put out for the day. Nova and Chance look to be a little tired too. Oh, Ruben's got some energy left. Like the Energizer bunnies, just keep going and going. It's after 9 or 10 hours of daycare, respectively. Besties. You guys having fun? Are you having fun? Diesel? You having fun, Dallas? Oh, toe eating. Toe eating's sure to get a response. Oh, someone's here. Who's dad? Who wins? Who wins? Maggie wins. Can you tell who wins? Look at that bum. You wanna go home? Okay, it's time.